Alright, we're trying the 6-meter Shaman. The winds right now are, pretty strong. They're probably 15 gusting to 30. Pretty unstable, so I'm gonna try it's actually my first try launching with the 5th line. As you can see, the bar on the Shaman's really nice. It's got the click-in system where you just pop it in. So this is their brand new bar. We'll give it a try here. Ready to go. So we'll hold this in a little bit. You can see how it kind of flags out the kite. And you just let that out and it's ready to go. Yeah, so definitely plenty of power right now. It is gusty, but we're talking about with the single skins is true. I mean, rock solid up there. Super gusty winds. Got a huge gust going through, and it's just kind of sitting there. Shaman, these single skins definitely produce their power deeper in the power zone than like in a Pelican. So as you pull in the bar, they'll kind of sink back a little bit. So they create power, but it's just deeper in the zone. So you're not going to feel it like pulling you forward as much. It's just going to be more, they're just deeper. And which is all right. I mean, that's what they're designed to do. They're not supposed to be high lift kites. So you're not going to be feeling like you're lifted off with these. And there's some lift there, you know, if you send it like that, you get a little bit of a pop. And I'm noticing it is pulling more back there, so I'm still adjusting to that a bit. Like, my Pelicans are kind of pulling up and forward. This is sitting just further back, so it's a little bit of a different feel, but again, that's kind of what we know. So, or what we're expecting with these. Like, I can tell, like, if you're looping up a mountain, you know, using this to pull you up a mountain or foil boarding, it's absolutely gonna just rip, because I can't even bring it down into the power zone, like into the center of the power zone right now without being overpowered. So once you get it deeper, it's gonna just have a tremendous amount of pull. Everything I'm doing right now is just kind of off in the peripheries. That is one thing. If you pull the bar all the way in, you can get like a really nice sharp spin without any power. So that is the one advantage. Here's a little reverse launch. In pretty high winds, like high 20s. I can take this 5th line and reel it in a bit. Land it. Let it out. So even hot launching at the upper, this would be actually above the recommended wind range. Hot launching, if you just go all the way forward and let it flutter up, it actually is pretty manageable. I feel really safe with it. I'll pull in a little bit of trim and then do a launch again. Just go all the way forward, and yeah, that's awesome. So it's gonna be really nice for, you know, in marginal conditions. We'll throw the safety again. Pretty sweet. Yeah, this is gonna be a backcountry machine for sure. Like, if you just want a day where you want to do some touring and like not worry about how trashy the winds are, this is gonna be pretty sweet. Giddy up. And I'll include in a video a little bit later. If you want to switch it over to a 4-line, it's really simple. They designed it so you can do that really easily. I did it in less than 2 minutes on my 9-meter, so I'll make a video later on how you do that. But so let's say you want to get rid, you don't like this 5th line hanging out here, you just want to simplify it, or maybe you don't want to buy a 5th line bar, you just want to use your 4-line bar, you can absolutely do that. You know, you won't have the nice 5th line flag out, so, but I think like 80-90% of the people honestly really don't need that. It lands so easily just with a brake line like this. And it does kind of keep things cleaned up. The only guys I'd recommend the 5th line for are the ones who really are in the mountains and you want a way to absolutely kill the power quickly and easily, and make sure that it'll relaunch really easily too. So here's a major gust, and I'll go ahead and relaunch in that. And even there, yeah, totally in control. Whoa, it's breezy, man. So, woo! A little more lift down. As you've seen, like, 0 issues with collapses this whole time. One thing I forgot to mention is the bar pressure is actually really nice on these. It's much lighter than I was expecting. I was expecting kind of a heavy bar pressure, but it's really not heavy at all. Yeah, that was probably one of the most pleasant surprises for me, because I'm used to the little clouds that have typically really light bar pressures. I flew a Fly Surfer Peak 4, and I thought the bar pressure on that was a little heavy, so I'm really happy to see that these are a little bit lighter, kind of what I'm used to. So yeah, I'm loving it so far. It is fun. It's gonna be a fun kite, for sure. Totally confidence inspiring. Very cool. That's the 6-meter Gin Shaman.